Okay, go ahead, start. A. No, start with A again.
A.
Uh-huh. What is that?
A. Apple.
Apple.
Bus. Cat.
No, you know how you have to say it? You gotta say C.
C.
Cat.
D. Dog. Elephant.
E. Elephant.
E. Elephant.
F.
F. Frog.
Frog. Ai, tô dando uma aula de inglês pra vocês. G.
G. K.
Goat.
Goat. G. The goat. H.
And what's that?
No, I don't know.
Hat. Or H for horse.
Horse.
Yeah.
Hat.
And hat. What is that?
I don't know.
I.
G. Mountain.
No, mountain is M. What letter is that? You don't know?
I know.
Isn't it J?
Yeah, J.
J for jellyfish.
Jellyfish? What's a jellyfish?
K
K.
for kangaroo.
Lion.
Lion. L. What letter is that?
I don't know.
Isn't it M?
Yeah.
M for
Mouse.
mouse. What's next?
Gnat.
N.
Gnat.
What letter is that?
Octopus.
O.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Don't say
Well, that's an ostrich.
ostrich.
But O is for octopus too.
Yeah. Pig.
What's the letter?
Pig.
P.
Pig.
Yeah, pig. What is that one?
Query.
Queen, which is the letter
Queen.
Q.
Q. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Sun.
The letter S. What other thing starts with the letter S?
Snake.
Snake.
Tree.
What other thing starts with the letter T?
Tiger.
Tiger.
Umbrella.
U. Umbrella.
Violin.
The letter V. What starts with the letter V too?
Violin.
And vampire. What is that?
No, I don't know.
Isn't it the letter W?
Yeah, W.
That's a whale.
Whale.
Uma baleia.
Fox.
What is that? X.
Fox.
That's an, yeah, it has a, fox has an X.
Yeah. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Y. And
Zebra.
zebra for Z. Woohoo, Gabriel.
The ant.
O fim. Viu que legal? How cool. So, tell me other things in English.
A, B, C.
No, you already told me A, B, C, D. Tell me,
A, B, C.
okay, sing me another song.
Song.
Yeah.
A, B,
No, no, not ABC again. Sing another song.
A.
No, another thing. Outra
Qual?
coisa a mais. You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay.